There was one newspaper publisher in particular who moved to Burlington and would change the face of Vermont media.
C.P. Hasbrook had moved here in 1938. He was a newspaperman, and he had been publisher of the Richmond Times-Dispatch in Virginia, as had his father. So he bought the Burlington Daily News, and it had with it a little 100-watt radio station, which was called WCAX Radio. When radio was every bit as revolutionary a medium as, say, the internet is now. So he took the power up to 1,000 watts, and then after the war took it to 5,000 watts. He needed an engineer to do all these things, and he happened to have a son-in-law who was a very highly qualified electrical engineer. So that's how Red got into the broadcast business.
Stuart was working as an engineer in Boston, and I remember the way Stuart put it. I'll still remember this. He said, and it was assumed that I would go to Vermont and build it. And he said it if you knew Stuart Martin in his matter-of-fact way, that he would go to Vermont and he would build it.
C.P. Hasbrook was very interested in radio, and then he had the bright idea about there's no television station in Vermont. He could foresee that television was the coming thing. Television was going to take over. There's no doubt about that.